Hi mathematicians, in this example, it's the same idea as the chips that we did from yesterday. It's just that they look a little different, even though it's pretty much the same thing. So you see this little sign right here? That lets you know that anything that is sitting on this side of the mat represents a negative number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 blocks are on the negative side. So that means that the number that is represented by this particular model is negative 15. For example number 2, on the negative side, you have 2 negatives. And then over here, on the positive side, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So remember from the previous video that anytime a positive and a negative number get together, they cancel each other out. So in this particular example, you've got a negative block that's going to cancel out a positive block. You've got a negative block that's going to cancel out a positive block. So you have 3 positives left over after you canceled. So that means that you've got a positive 3 for your final sum. Last but not least, same idea. You've got these 2 positives that'll cancel out 2 negatives. So you have 3 negatives left over. So that means your final sum is negative 3.